Break the swab stick at the break point by bending it back and forth until it detaches completely.
Yun. Right now, nanonood kami ng video kung paano ginagawa yung swab test. Kasi gagawin namin today. And this is the 10th day ng aming quarantine dito sa hotel. Habang nag-aantay kami ng appointment from the nurse na i-guide kami kung paano gawin. Ito, nanood muna kami ng video. So, gagawin nyo rin to after 10 days nyo kung mag-quarantine pag nandito na kayo sa Canada. So, let's watch. So yun, napanood natin kung paano yung self-swab test. And right now, gaantay kami ng appointment. And pang 705 kami nakapila online. So maghapon to sa isang tao, ganun.
Okay, let's try.
Sana mabilis lang. From 10 minutes to 2 hours. We appreciate your patience. Antay-antay na lang. Oh, mga kaano. From 705 kanina. And after 2 hours of waiting, i-check natin ngayon kung pang ilan na tayo sa nakapila online. So as of this moment, 154 na lang. And next na tayo. Kunti na lang. Abangan natin.
2 hours later.
Nawala siya. Kumakain pa siya. Kaso nawala. After 705 person na online waiting, after 2 hours, nagkakita kami ng nurse. Pero hindi naman kami magkaintindihan kasi poor connection. So, ayun. Ngayon, i-drop niya yata. And then, let's try kung ano yung pwedeng maging option. So, hindi nga kami nagkaintindihan ng nurse. So, dinrap niya yung call or video call. And then, I try it again from the top. At ngayon, kanina kung 705 waiting online. Ngayon, 1,531 waiting online. So, OMG.
Many tic-tacs later.
Yeah. We're gonna go to open the glue, put the wrench off, and unscrew it. This one? Yeah, exactly. And you're gonna open it and just make sure you put it on a flat surface. Make sure it doesn't fall down because we don't want to lose any of the liquid. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
What is that, Mommy?
Quiet, please.
And now we're gonna.
Sorry.
The that you have with you, you're gonna open it up. Yeah. We're gonna open it.
Okay.
There's a little notch there. Yeah.
Ah, there.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Here. Halfway.
Yeah. So you're gonna open it, and there's a little notch in the middle that you're gonna hold. Yeah.
This one.
So just pull it out. Yeah. And we're gonna insert it into your nose and then for 2 centimeters. And
Okay.
we're gonna do, before we get started, we're gonna do 15 seconds in one and then 15 seconds in the other. I'm gonna start the timer when you start on the first one. Once the 15 seconds is up, we'll do the 15 seconds on the other one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yung ano lang.
And make sure you're going around.
Going
For the
around.
whole
Ganun lang kuya, oh. Just like that lang, oh. So easy. Babaw lang, di ba?
Okay, perfect. And now we're gonna do the
Wait,
other one for
Mommy.
15 seconds.
No.
Ready? we're gonna put it on in the tube. Yeah, inside.
Okay.
Yeah, and now you're gonna just hold. You're gonna like break the little notch. Just make sure it doesn't slide out.
Dito ang notch na.
Yeah.
Yan.
Sometimes it helps. Just do it gently so it
Okay, done.
Okay. Seal.
Perfect. And now you're gonna close it tightly.
Okay.
Awesome. And then now you're gonna put it in the biohazard bag with the absorbent sheet that was in the package with you.
With my name?
Yeah, with your name and date of birth. You wrote that in already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and make sure there's like a serial number that is not. The serial number is not covered.
Okay.
Dito.
In a while.
And I'm gonna read out your serial number with you. It's 056736, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
What are you reading, Mommy?
Okay. Here you go.
Huwag mo tatakpan yung serial number.
The horizontal,
Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
Mommy, one
It's
lang
so
yan
long.
sa'yo.
Yes. Only one.
Akin.
Then the
Okay.
bag.
And now we'll put it in the bag. And then is there the
Mommy,
absorbent?
one dun sa akin.
We will put that back
Daddy?
in the box where it came in, the blue box.
This one?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Ito na yung bag mo.
And then you should have a little clear circular sticker to seal it.
Ano yung
Yung
Galax?
sticker. That.
Mommy, ano yung Galax yung ano?
Quiet mo na, anak.
Daddy,
Quiet.
ano yung Galax?
This one.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
This one. The LS
Yeah,
sticker.
after we'll put it in the bag right after that. Yeah.
Put it with circular sticker.
Not that one.
This one. To seal. Yeah. Okay na.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, now you put it in the Purolino bag.
Yeah. Zip it.
And then yeah, you seal it.
Seal it. Seal.
Daddy, ka po faster para.
Okay.
Awesome. And then you have the sticker. Yeah, that label. You put it on top. Yeah, perfect. And now with the alcohol swab that they give you, you gotta wipe around it. And yeah, and just make sure you don't wipe the label just so it doesn't give it.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Man. Look at me.
Kita mo na wina-wipe.
Okay.
Awesome. And then that's it. And once you make sure
Daddy, this is alcohol.
schedule the time for the Purolator pickup.
Okay. Ah,
Okay.
I still have them too to be tested.
Oh yes, I know. You have to go on the computer. I think you have
Yes.
to go on the computer and different login. So hopefully it won't be too long.
Okay. Actually, it's 1,500.
It's a lot.
So many people.
Lot time of waiting.
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Leslie, have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Meanwhile.
Ayan. Today is Friday, sabi nila. Pizza Friday or Friday Pizza. And shout out to you sa friend ni Mami O na si Miss Honey. Yun, no? Tinreat kami ng pizza. Saktong-sakto.
What?
Sa aming dinner. Wow! Ang bango ng amoy.
Wow.
Let's go and let's eat. Thank you, Miss Honey. Na taga Ajax. Yes. Ajax, ingat ka. Keep safe. In behalf of Mami O, thank you so much for this pizza. Now it's my turn. After 1,500 plus na waiting online, kasi kanina na-drop tayo. And it took, I think, 4 hours.
Oh my God!
Yung pag-antay. Ngayon, pang 86 people. Malapit na.
Ba dito?
I hope so. And right now, it's almost 8 o'clock in the evening. Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Invincible.
$70 people.
One eternity later.
Wala na siya.
Reload mo lang.
Are you still there?
Okay. Yes, I'm still there.
Yeah.
Okay. So you need to swab each nostril for 15 seconds. You're only inserting it into your nostril to about here. You just rub it against the skin like that.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good. Okay, sure.
Okay, done.
Go ahead. And the other side. Okay. So you can put it into the tube.
That's mine.
This one here.
You didn't have a phone.
Okay. Yun daw yung tape. Here.
That's it. Okay. You know what to do next.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you guys have done a few of these. I know.
It's big.
Okay.
Diba sa'yo na?
Don't cover this, okay? Make sure okay. Yep, right. Good. And then you gotta wipe down your bins.
Yep.
Great.
Good night. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Ano nangyari sa practice mo? Tumala ka. Tablangko ka na naman?
Ang mukha ni Shota ni Michael Scofield yung... Let's go, anak.
Oh, why you videoing me?
Yeah, for your... Ano yan?
Out.
Remembrance.
Out.
For your document. Yeah.
Ayan na.
One eternity later.
Ayun, sa tagal ng aming pag-aantay at sa tinagal-tagal ng aming quarantine, eto, nakalabas na rin kami. Finally! Woohoo! At eto na, naglalaro na ang mga bulugoys at nagpapaaraw. Maganda ang panahon. And right now, habang nag-aantay kami ng aming appointment para dun sa aming titignang bahay or apartment, so unluckily wala pa kaming makuha ang bahay, ano. Kaya ito, apartment lang muna. Titingnan namin kung okay at sana maging okay para malapit sa lahat, malapit sa park, malapit sa McDonald's, madaming amenities. Ayun. Nag-enjoy na sila. At mamaya kung meron tayong pagkakataon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming ititripping na apartment. Sana naman maging okay para naman makaalis na rin kami doon sa hotel na tinutuluyan namin sa Wellington. And eto, nag-enjoy na sila. Sarap ng panahon, parang nasa Tagaytay ka lang. Ayun mga kaano, see you later and kita tayo. Yeah. Yeah, boy.